What are the main characteristics of a crane truck? Here are some of the most useful features of a crane truck. Versatility. A crane can be used for a variety of lifting and hauling tasks, from moving large materials to shifting heavy objects. There's no job too big or too small for this top-notch machine. Strength. They are built to last, with powerful engines and top-notch construction. They can handle heavy loads effortlessly and offer an impressive degree of stability in any situation. Reliability. They are renowned for their reliability, so you can rest assured that it'll get the job done whenever you need it. Safety. Working with these types of trucks should be as safe as possible. And it's no surprise that they come equipped with the latest safety features like anti-slip surfaces and braking systems to protect operators and bystanders alike. Tires and brakes are also regularly inspected to keep them in top condition. So there you have it. If you're looking for an efficient, reliable, and safe way of transporting large materials, a crane is your best bet. Are you tired of worrying about safety on the road, no matter what type of vehicle you're driving? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. GPS tracking is one of the most innovative solutions for ensuring safety. And it's not just for crane trucks. With GPS tracking, drivers can easily identify and avoid potential road hazards for a smoother and safer journey for everyone involved. Plus, companies can keep tabs on their drivers and cargo every step of the way. Want to experience the benefits of GPS tracking for yourself? We highly recommend checking out this reliable GPS tool. Stay safe and stay ahead with the power of GPS technology. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive is the perfect way to guarantee a smooth delivery service. Their user-friendly app allows drivers to track hours and inspect their vehicles on the go, removing any delays or customer dissatisfaction from your equation. Make life easier by checking out what Motive has in store now. To learn more about the trucking industry, check out our previous video.